Cover a first practical of environmental studies and disaster management. First practical is study of common birds. First of all, introduction to birds. Birds are the ready visitors who move or who migrate from one place to another place, or even from one continent to another, and even from one country to another. They move from one place to another place. There is a reason behind this. When they when there is not a when there is not a favorable environment in that place where they live, then they migrate from one place to another. Birds belong to the apes family, and birds are warm blooded. Warm blooded means birds can regulate their body temperature according to the environment temperature. So birds are warm blooded. On the other hand, cold-blooded animals are those who cannot regulate their body temperature according to the temperature in an environment. So example of a cold-blooded animal is a reptiles. Reptile. So these all are come in a reptiles category. Here, so birds are a warm-blooded, whereas reptiles are a cold-blooded. Warm-blooded means they can regulate their temperature according to the temperature in our environment. Clear? So next, first bird is house crow. Scientific name of a house crow is Corvus splendens, and it has a black plumage and it has a gray color around the neck, and it mainly inhabiting in a human dwelling areas. And house crows are omnivorous in nature, means they can eat grasses as well as meat also. Then it build nest and look after their young ones. So this is about a house crow. Here, next is pigeon. The scientific name of a pigeon is Columbia livia, and commonly called it is blue rock pigeon. And its color of a body is salty gray, and it has a glistening metallic green, purple magenta sheen on the neck and upper breast. And moreover, it also has a two bars on the wings and a band across the end of the tail. Right here. Next bird is Mena. The scientific name of a Mena is Acredotherus christis. There are two words. There are two words in a scientific name. First is genus and second one is species. So Acredotherus is a genus and Christus is a species. The color of a Mena is a deep brown and it has bright yellow legs, and it is always found in a groups which consist of 2 to 10 menas. Then it inhabit in a human dwelling areas, and they also form or build nest. Next bird is parrot. The scientific name of a parrot is Psittacula cameri, and it commonly called rose-ringed parakeet. Its body is cylinder in a shape and it has a pointer tail. The color of their feather is grass green, and there is a difference in the shape in the appearance of a male and female. In a male has a black red color, while there is a no black and red color present in a females. Next, they build nest in a hollow tree trunks and the holes of the buildings. Then it is a popular cage bird, and they can talk with us. Next word is owl. The scientific name of owl is Bubu Bubu, and it is commonly called horn owl. And it is a nocturnal. Nocturnal means nocturnal bird. Nocturnal means they are active during the night, and they feed on a rodents, insect pest, and therefore they are beneficial for the farmers. They have large eyes which are round in a shape and forwardly directed, and its color is dark brown, straight and moted with tawny puff and black. And it is a large, heavy and robust bird. Okay. Next is sparrow. The scientific name of a sparrow is Passer domesticus, and it feed on seeds and grain, and they form nest which consists of a straw and rubbish stuffed, and they form nest in a hole of the and in a hole in the wall, and they are useful for the agriculturist because they destroy several types of insect and pest, and therefore these are beneficial for the farmers. And there is a difference in the male and female appearance. Male has a black area on a throat and a breast, whereas female has a whitish area on the throat and breast. So this is a difference between male sparrow and female sparrow. And this is a small bird, and its upper surface is a earthy brown and streaked with black, and its underparts are whitish in a color. Here, so this is about a sparrow. Next bird is cuckoo. Cuckoo is a The scientific name of cuckoo is Eudynamys species, and it has a shiny metallic black feathers with striking yellowish green bill and blood red eyes, and the females are grayish brown in color, and the male has an attractive song coil, and whereas female has no song, and generally they do not build their nest. They lay their eggs in the crow's nest, and their young ones are reared by the foster parents. Foster parents means these are their young ones are reared by the crows. Next, its song mainly we heard in a spring and summer season, and we are not we heard their song in a winter season. So this is about a cuckoo bird. So this is about the common birds. Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me.